Who are you waving at?
I don't know. I just feel like that's how you need to come down those stairs.
Hi, we're Crystal and Candy of Travel Pockets. We're sisters who are half American and half Japanese, and we love to travel the world in style.
We grew up as military brats, so we're used to moving from place to place. That's why we love traveling so much.
Dos, tres, cuatro.
I'm canoeing! We post videos weekly and would love for you to subscribe to our channel. Follow us along on all of our adventures.
Welcome to our room at the InterContinental Amsterdam, and this is the entryway. Look how big it is. I can like touch all of it like this. Usually, you know, when you walk in, it's just like, anyways. Don't you like the wallpaper? As soon as I walked in, I was like, wow, this wallpaper is really unique. It's like, I don't think I've ever seen wallpaper like this at a hotel. So when I walked in, I was like, I really like this wallpaper. Anyway, so as soon as you walk in, nice big entrance, and they've even got a little table here for you. It's so, I feel like I'm at home with these like decorations. Not my home, but like my mom's home or grandma's home, you know, kind of like old school looking. I like it. But as soon as you walk in, to the left is the nice big bathroom. Check it out, look how huge this bathroom is. And what I do like about this bathroom is that the toilet is in a separate room with its own door. So you have some privacy. I usually don't like hotel rooms where the bathroom is like in the same room with the shower because there's no privacy. But this one, there's some privacy. They even give you a toilet brush, but I rarely see that in hotel bathrooms, an actual toilet brush. They give you extra toilet, there's a phone in here. And then look at that, there's a little shower for you too. And over here, there's like a space just for your towels, which I thought was so cute. I don't think I've ever seen a space just for towels. It makes me wonder if this was used for something else before and this was like an afterthought, like, hey, let's just put towels here. Anyways, whatever the case, you get plenty of towels, so I'm happy about that. Thank you for the towels. Another thing I like, which I always appreciate, is hotels that put hooks on the doors, because we carry, this is something we always carry with us when we travel, is our hanging toiletries. So whenever there's a hook, and I like that there's two here, so we can both put ours on here, because sometimes we have to fight for this. Like either Crystal can use it, then I have to find another space to put mine. So really, really happy that they provided that. If you guys watch our videos often, you'll notice that Crystal always gives me a shout out whenever she's by herself in a hotel, and there's like a mirror that has the magnifying mirror, and this one does, which I like. I have bad eyes, like, well, my eyesight is bad, so I need a mirror that has that magnifying, running the magnifying mirror, because I can't see anything with a normal mirror. So I need one of those. This mirror is actually really nice. It's like, is this vintage? I don't know. Anyways, the sink is nice and big, so I'm happy about that. Plenty of counter space, which is great, especially with me and Crystal. We both have, you know, our own like little corners of stuff, like my makeup stuff, and toiletry stuff is there, and Crystal actually has quite a bit. I'm surprised she has more than me. And then the blow dryer, I have a nice blow dryer here. The only thing though in this bathroom, which kind of sucks if you're a lady, like if you use a straightening iron, curling iron, there's no plug for that in here, but they have an alternative where you could use that, so I'll show you that in a second. There's a separate bath, which is really nice. Nice big bath. So if you want to take a nice bath, you know, it even has a shower head too, which I like. I like that it has that. And then it also has this, which I actually do utilize this quite a bit. Like, if you want to hang your towels. I like to hang my towels this way because it dries faster instead of just hanging it behind a hook or something. Again, I use it because I don't want to have the, you know, them change out the towels every day. And then here is the shower. It is the rain, I think it's called a rainfall shower, if that's what it's, I think that's what it's called. So it's got the rainfall shower. I also like that you can see the canal from here. I'm too afraid to shower naked though, because I feel like people probably can't see in here if there's someone out there with binoculars. But I do like it, like if it gets too steamy and hot and after the shower, we can open up the window and all the steam goes out and get some fresh air in here. And then there is also a handheld shower head here. Okay, so remember I was talking about the, we're not able to use a straightener or curler there? Well, luckily over here, there's like a nice little seating area with a ton of outlets below. So we've been, using our flat iron and curling iron here, which actually ends up working out better because you can sit down and do your hair and makeup here. So I actually bring that mirror over here and I do my hair and makeup here. So it actually worked out. So I really like this little corner over here. It also is like our workstation too. Our laptops are here.
Love this room. It's one of my favorite rooms I've stayed in so far out of all my travels. First of all, the view, amazing view, and you can open the window all the way like this and get some fresh air and hear the ambient noise out there. And these are the shutters, so instead of having drapes or curtains, you can just use these doors to shut and block the light. And this was actually really great for when we slept at night because it completely made it dark in this room. And I sleep so much better when it's completely dark. Okay, so we'll move on to our coffee station. And we have some Illy coffee. So you got some coffee pods here. I actually had the decaf and it was really good. Really great coffee. They also provide some tea. Like different types of tea, like lemon fresh and Earl Grey. These little cute tiny espresso cups. And this is another favorite part of mine. I just fix this. The nook. I mean, it gives you this relaxing vibe already. Like, oh yes, I could just relax here and read a book, which I'm probably not gonna read a book, but go on my laptop and just, enjoy the hotel room, And here is our bed area. So there's 2 twin beds and it looks really small. And yeah, it's small compared to like standard American size hotel rooms. But I mean, it didn't bother me and Candy at all. Like we thought it was, we're gonna run out of space or something, but no problems at all. We slept really great. I feel like every time I come to a space, I'm like, and this is my favorite quarter, but this is also great. Me and Candy each had our own closet. So this is my closet in here. And I have plenty of hangers to hang up all my clothes. And there's some bottom space as well. They provide an iron, or ironing board and iron. They also have a shoe horn. I think they have like a shoe cleaning thing down there too. There's a couple of umbrellas back here. They also provided 2 robes, which were in the bathroom, but we moved it because we wanted to use it for our toiletry bag. So there's some robes if you need it. And then over here is Candy's closet. Can I show it? So here's Candy's closet. She has better clothes than I do.
What?
So here's her fancy jacket. And there's also a safe in here. A digital safe, and they also provide laundry service if you need it. We never use it, but it's an option if you need it. Also in here is more drawers space that I use to organize all my things, which I love doing. See, look at that organization. And I haven't even used all the drawer space. What else? Is that it? This is the room.
I'm going to show you the pool area and the spa and gym, but I first want to show you how we keep missing this elevator here on our floor. It doesn't even look like an elevator. All right, so look. Well, this is the second elevator, but the first elevator already passed, but they're like tiny like this and they blend in with the wall, the colors and everything. So if you're not really paying attention, you will miss it. Do you want to sit down, Crystal?
Do you want to sit down?
I guess it's B.
Probably. So we're in the pool area now. It's very nice. It's nice. It's pretty big, I would say. And they have some day beds that are along the line there. And you have a lovely view out here of the river. And they have a coffee station. Coffee, tea, and some fruit-infused water. Some fruits. They have some towels and robes in here for you to use. There's also a steam room and a sauna in there, but I think there's somebody in there, so I don't want to go in. And this is the gym area. They have a few equipment, fitness equipment you can use, and some dumbbells. What is that, like a elliptical type of machine? Welcome to the lobby. There's a nice staircase.
Who are you waving at?
I just feel like that's like you to come down those stairs. You can rent bikes from here.
Oh yeah.
If you want to. We didn't do that. We haven't actually rode bikes yet.
We're actually a little bit
We're a little
scared.
intimidated to ride bikes here because it's such a regular thing here that it's almost like I don't want to get in their way.
I feel like we would be like the slow ones and like just annoying people.
Yeah.
So we're like, maybe we'll try that if we can get with a local to help us out, you know?
We'll see. We're still trying to like gauge it, but you know, they still have like plenty of trams around. Like transportation is excellent here, so you know, the tram station is right next door, so is the metro station. So
Yeah.
we've been utilizing that.
Yeah, and then we were thinking of doing the boat tour or the canal tour because they offer that here as well. But since we got here on a weekend and they only provide that service on the weekend, we actually already had some things scheduled and we couldn't take advantage of that. But that is there if you know you wanted to take, and they do it on an old school boat,
Like a saloon boat.
Yeah, so
Which
that's
looks really nice.
I know it did look really nice
Yeah.
compared to like the other boats we've been seeing on the
Yeah.
canal, which are just like generic like tourist type boats. Like this one's like a really cool looking boat. And there's a lot of things around here. If you don't want to eat at the hotel, actually just like down the street there's like this really cool bakery, which I actually just bought a sandwich there today. Crystal got a croissant and some coffee.
Yeah.
And it's really packed in there. Like
Yeah,
it's
it
pretty
was
busy.
It was happening.
Yeah.
And we thought it was just a little bakery, but it's actually more than that. It's a bakery.
A coffee shop.
They have a coffee shop. They also have a sandwich shop.
Yeah.
And they have pizza there too.
And they open at 7, so if you're an early riser, you can go there, walk over there and get some coffee.
Yeah.
And some fresh bread, because it smells really good in there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think overall, like I really enjoyed my stay here. It's convenient. I do really like the room. It's very, I kind of don't want to leave sometimes and I'm just gonna chill out in here
I know.
and enjoy the view.
So we hope this review helped you out in deciding where to stay in Amsterdam. InterContinental Amstel Hotel is really nice. We really enjoyed it. So if you want to stay here, we give it 2 thumbs up. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.